What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a 4-minute follow along kettlebell workout for you. All right, like I said in today's video, I'm gonna take you through a 4-minute follow along kettlebell workout. Gonna be great for anybody just looking to get a quick workout in to burn calories. But before we get into the workout, I will say, if you're trying to get in shape, just a couple 4-minute follow along workouts, it's not gonna do much for you. First off, you have to figure out your body type before you do any kind of workout. Because once you figure out your body type, you not only figure out what's going to work for you, but you also figure out why what you've possibly tried in the past hasn't worked for you. So if you've been that person who has ever tried low carb diets or tons of steady state cardio and you really struggled to get in shape, you struggled to burn body fat, struggled to burn muscle, it's probably because you were following a plan that wasn't for your body type. So if you want to learn what your body type is and exactly what to do to get in shape for free, click the link in the description below this video and go take our free body type quiz. But other than that, let's get into this workout. So like I said, it's gonna be a 4-minute kettlebell workout. It's only gonna be 2 different exercises, so you don't need a bunch of different weights of these kettlebells. I just have a 20-pound kettlebell here because all we're gonna be doing are kettlebell swings, which you really wanna focus on driving with your legs. A lot of people think that kettlebell swings are a lot of your shoulders. It's not as much as your shoulders as some people may think, because what you're doing is squatting down, bringing it back behind your body, and then thrusting through your glutes and swinging it out, and then back down, squatting, swing it out. So make sure you're getting the form right on that, really driving through your glutes more than your shoulders. And then we're gonna do that for 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and then we're gonna go into kettlebell cleans, which is going to be down on the ground. You're gonna squat down, then you're going to pick this up and pull it up to your shoulder and clean. So you're gonna twist it around, pull it up to your shoulder, and bring it back down. Then switch arms, twist it around, bring it to your shoulder, twist it around, put it back down. So you're gonna switch arms back and forth, kettlebell cleans, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. We're gonna repeat that until we've reached 4 minutes. So let's get into it. So there you have it. 4-minute kettlebell follow along workout. Wasn't that bad now, was it? This is a great workout for anybody looking to get quick workouts in. Maybe you're pressed for time and you're just trying to burn some calories. This is a great way to get a great workout in just 4 minutes with very minimal equipment. So try this out maybe 2-3 times a week. Also, like I said, if you're trying to get in shape, you need to figure out what your body type is so that getting in shape becomes easier and happens faster. If you want help with that, I have a free body type quiz down in the link in the description. Check that out. Other than that, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I do 4-minute follow along videos every single Friday, and I have tons of other videos covering training for your upper body or lower body, HIIT follow alongs, whatever you want, I got it, and I'm always coming out with new stuff. So make sure you're joining the V-Shred movement here on YouTube and joining the notification squad by clicking the notification bell and subscribing to all the notifications for the channel. That way you actually get notified when I post a new video. So hope you liked it. See you later.